If you are starting or building a brand or branching out on your own as a creator or a freelancer, the one thing that you need is a way to manage your customers and clients. Right now, there are over 2,000 CRM products available on the market. And because customer management is so pivotal, so many people are jumping in and just buying the first shiny tool that they find. This has to stop. The market is so saturated because this is such a key part of starting or building a business. But before you spend hundreds of pounds on a CRM system that you will barely use any of the features of, watch this video. Because this video will give you that essential part of your business for completely free, which is a much better way to set yourself up for success. I'm Gina. I've spent the last 20 years building startups, and now I help others use systems and tools to start and scale without the cost, time, and risk that traditional business building brings. In this video, I'm going to show you the power of a CRM for self-starters as small businesses, how Notion is the only CRM system that you need, and why it's actually outperforming even the most expensive of client management systems. I'm then going to walk you through the CRM setup that is completely free so that you can use it wherever you are in building your brand or your self-run service. So let's start with the basics. A CRM, or a customer relationship management system, is a tool in which you keep track of everyone that your business is interacting with. All your leads, all your clients, all your projects, everything that you are working on as a small brand business, creator, or freelancer. Every single business of any size uses a CRM in order to stay organized, close deals, and keep customers coming back. And the importance of CRMs is completely backed by stats. 71% of small businesses rely on their CRM system, and 92% of all companies say it is essential for hitting their revenue goals. We also know that CRM systems increase sales by over 30%, triples your conversion, and keeps your client retention jumping. A CRM is literally one of the most powerful systems that you can put in place if you want your business to be successful. Now, that makes it sound like something that everybody should invest heavily in. Well, not really. In fact, it's something that should be completely free, especially if you are just starting out or trying to build something with less costs. Despite literally thousands of options, the only CRM system you will ever need, regardless of your size of business, is Notion. I use this CRM system for clients who are literally starting out with not one contact, and for companies that are running over $12 million of ARR every year in their partnership sales and outreach. The system that I've built for you for free that you can grab from the link in the description is scalable with you as you grow. Now, if you have already bought a CRM system or you have already got yourself caught up in that SaaS subscription, it is probably because everything that is on the market right now offers you a ton of shiny features. Big SaaS products like Sage or Zoho or Pipedrive, they offer you content and lead management, pipeline and deal tracking, task and activity management, calendars, scheduling, planning out your meetings, lead scoring, which helps you understand how close you are to closing business and works through that all-important qualification, customizable dashboards, reporting and analytics, ticketing systems, knowledge bases so people in your business can have access to information that they need while working on the leads, and custom fields and modules so you can tailor it to your company. This all sounds fantastic and well worth the hundreds of dollars a month that they're charging, doesn't it? But whilst it does sound invaluable, all of this is built into Notion already, and all this functionality is available for completely free. No cost, no setup fees, no recurring cash out of your pocket every single month. It sounds too good to be true. So that's why in a minute, I'm going to take you through step by step the exact CRM template that I have built you that is completely free. Grab it from the link in the description. But just before that, Notion actually outperforms all of those other shiny products like Sage, like Salesforce, like HubSpot, because unlike those products, you do not need any additional software to take your information into action. With those expensive third-party systems, you often need either an API or an automation in order to transition your CRM into the projects and services that you are offering. Not with Notion. The power of Notion is databases. And by using Notion for your CRM, you are able to link that CRM database into all of the other systems that you have set up as a business. By building your CRM system in Notion or by using the one I've already set up for you, you are not only saving yourself all of the admin time of going through literally thousands of competitor products, but you are also avoiding getting yourself caught into a contract of hundreds of dollars a month for a product you don't even know is correct for your business. Did you know that over 61% of small businesses regret their tech purchases? So not only are we faced with an overwhelming amount of decision making to do, we also have the risk that whatever we sign up for will not be right for our business. When you use Notion as your CRM, not only is it free and so therefore lowers the risk, but it is hugely adaptable to your business as you grow. The building blocks of Notion are databases, and by having a CRM set up, you can link it not only to your current offerings and your current projects, but your future services as a business as well. I have built my entire business through Notion for completely free by creating bespoke databases that all interact with each other to build one business system on which I layer on top AI and automations so that I can run my business in my spare time for no outgoing costs. I now teach other people how to do that so that you can spend your time, effort, and energy on the things that actually move your business forward. The human touch points that AI and technology will never take away from us. That kind of setup is part of all of the business systems that I have on my site right now. I'm also running a really exciting free opportunity where if you sign up for my newsletter, you get the chance to input the information on your business and I will build you an entire operating system for free. So make sure you sign up for the newsletter. Links are in the description and everything you need to know is on my site. But now, let's take you through this free template, which you can grab for completely free from this description of this video, and get you set up with your first ever CRM in Notion. This CRM is going to be your home for all of your offers, all of your clients, all of your projects, everything lives in here. This has been built out in a suggested sales flow, going all the way from contacted to prospecting to qualifying to pitching to proposal to term negotiations to contract negotiations to the stages at the end of a deal, including dormant, closed, lost, and closed won. These stages are based on traditional sales. To change these stages, all you need to do is click Edit Groups and you'll be able to put your own sales process in. But for me, this is working across multiple industries, so let's stick with that for now. The way to use this database is to put absolutely everything in there. As soon as you get wind of someone you would like to work with or someone who would like to work with you, add them into your contacted. Now, this is smart CRM management. Again, this is built as a card that I have created a template for you. This card is going to be titled as the name of the business you are contacting. Click into this space to load your opportunity template and you will see that we have the offer table come up. This offer table is where you build your offers. You can either do that through the database we've just done or create an offer bespoke from here. This offer can be called anything that you would like and you can go through anything from here, building out your offer, direct in this card, showing your total offer price. If you've created that offer, it will not only sit on the front of your card, it will also have popped up in your offer table. Once you click into this, you will see that only the things that you have put into this offer are showing in this card. They are all linked and it is so easy to keep on top of everything that you need to do. Keeping these two things separate means you can build out your offer and learn what else you need to add into your engagement strategies and add-ons, but you can keep this very clean view of your client. This CRM will be updated as you go along. We will move through the other parts of which you are going to build this out as, but some of the things that are really important here are that you can look at which region is in, you can give the opportunity a target start date, you can look at the probability that you think this might have of closing, and most importantly is we have this property here, which is self-generated. By building in a property of last edited time, this database will tell you the last time you contacted them. As we move through the days and the weeks, this will start showing the days in which you last got in touch. This is so helpful showing on your dashboard because it lets you know which deals you need to focus on. The more clients and the more offers you build into this dashboard, the more information you will have on your close rate, your contact rate, everything that you need to know. But every contact you have, whether that is just contacted or whether that is someone you are working with, fill out this database with all of that information. Now, what we also need to fill in, if we go down through our template, is the contacts that we have. Now, this is my husband's company, and I'm not going to give his actual contact details, but I can put but I can put some holders in here. I can also put in his role. Now, this is really important field to use because sometimes we need to make sure we're talking to the right person in the decision makers, and looking at which role people we're talking to, it can guide who else we need to ask to be in the room for the next time, which takes me down to our meetings. In our meetings, we want to plot in any meetings that we have. Add in who is going to be at that meeting, the date of that meeting, and then once you've completed that meeting, you can add in the next step afterwards. This is a free type section, so you can just write in any of your next steps. Now, this is all in one view for this one client. What we have also built is a different view for you to keep on top of all of your clients. As you can see, our revenue management section has the total revenue from the offer. It also has the status, so we can see whereabouts it is. Our contact list is starting to build out. As this gets bigger and bigger, we will be able to filter this by different roles by clicking here and adding a filter, or we can filter it by the different companies we're talking to. Our meetings will also be scheduled into this one calendar view. You could have 500 different clients rolling through your CRM and it would still all show on this one calendar. You can also filter this by different things like when is your next step, who is going, what were the notes. This is your ultimate CRM. It takes everything that you know about the company, tells you exactly how far along the stage you are. It tells you exactly the probability in the last time you contacted them. It builds out the revenue that you are forecasting. It gives you a huge contact list, and it manages the entirety of your diary. You can link this diary direct to your Google Diary or your email provider diary, and all of these meetings will be populated direct in your calendar. The two-way link also means that every time you schedule a call with someone through a Google Meets or through an email, it will populate in here.